Hello guys, welcome to Pronouncist, your pronunciation guide. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word shown on the screen, roller coaster. First, let's hear its American pronunciation, roller coaster. Now, read the syllables of U.S. pronunciation shown on the screen naturally. Ro, lur, ko. Stirred, roller coaster, ro, lur, ko. Stirred, roller coaster. Now, let's focus on British pronunciation of this word, rollercoaster. Now, read the syllables of British pronunciation shown on the screen naturally. R, l, k. St, roller coaster, r, l, k. St, roller coaster. Emphasize ro and co. Keep lur and stir light. Roller coaster, roller coaster. Practice repeatedly and you'll soon be able to say this word perfectly. The best way to practice is to repeat the syllable multiple times. The meaning of the word is amusement park ride. Try repeating this word several times to improve your pronunciation. We post daily videos on useful and commonly mispronounced words to help you speak clearly and confidently. Like this video and subscribe to Pronouncist for more pronunciation guides. Thanks for watching us.